Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to join in airdrops, and to join in airdrops what you have to do. First, to join in the airdrops you must have these accounts: Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Medium, Reddit, LinkedIn. So you download these apps from the Play Store. Okay, after downloading them from the Play Store, you have to register on Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, all these apps. Here whatever the apps are given here, the list is here, you have to register on them. Okay, just to sign up with your phone numbers. So for Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Medium, Reddit, LinkedIn, just complete the sign up process. Okay, after one more time telling apps. Okay, you have to definitely download these apps, then only you can participate in the airdrops. So you have to download these 7 apps and complete the registration process, sign up on it. Next what we have to do, so after what you have to do, you have to take the profile links of each app. Why we need to take the profile link? Suppose I have joined one airdrop recently, and here what they have asked, they have asked me send me the link of your Twitter profile. So they asked Twitter profile, and in some apps they will ask Instagram. In some airdrops they will ask extra like a Reddit profile or Medium profile link or LinkedIn profile links. So that's why what I told you, you have to download all these 7 apps. These apps you have to download, and after downloading you have to complete registration. After completing registration, what you have to do, you have to take the profile links. How to take the profile link? First of all, for Telegram you don't have to take the profile link, you have to take the username only. That username where you will get, that also I will tell you. So once you complete the registration in the Telegram app, just what you have to do, you have to click on this left side 3 lines, and after clicking on the 3 lines you have to click on the settings, and after clicking on the settings, here you will find the username. Suppose if username is not there, you can set the username. Like suppose my username is IAM8688, so this is my username. Like that only you can set your username. So username you can set on your own. Okay, that is the no problem. So in the Telegram app you can set your username. So this is your username. So in airdrops what they will ask, send the Telegram username. In that time what you have to do, you have to send your username. This is my username, IAM8688. So before IAM8688 we have to mention @ of. Okay, that must be the main thing. Okay, now Telegram is over. Next, after Twitter, so you have to complete registration on Twitter, and after registering on the Twitter, what you have to do, so this is my Twitter, I have already completed registration. Now what we have to do, first for Twitter you will find your username directly here. Okay, this is my username. So in some airdrops what they will do, they will ask username. If they ask username, you can give this username, but sometimes they will ask a Twitter profile link. So to get Twitter profile link, what you have to do, you have to click this left side 3 lines, and after that just click on this here. After clicking on that, you will find 3 dots here right side. So click on that 3 dots, and here you will find the share option. Okay, click on the share option and copy. So that is your Twitter profile link. So this is my Twitter profile link. Like that you can get your Twitter profile link from the Twitter. Okay, now Telegram is over, Twitter is over. Now Facebook. So Facebook also same, just you have to complete registration on Facebook. Okay, so you can register with your phone number and all, and after that how you will get your Facebook profile link. So to get Facebook profile link, so to get a Facebook profiling, what you have to do, just go to the Google Chrome and type facebook.com. Okay, you will get a Facebook website here, and you have already logged in, so it will ask you to log in. So you log in with the phone number or email ID and password. After logging in, here it will show the format like this. And what you have to do, you have to click this profile. Okay, click on that profile. Okay, you can find here, this is the profile. So click on the profile. After clicking on the profile, here what you have to do, you will find here options like add story, add to story, edit profile, and right side to edit profile there is three dot lines are there. So click on these three lines. After clicking on these three lines, you will find many options here: account status, archive, activity log. Just scroll, and downside you will find copy link to profile. So this is your profile link. So click on this copy link to profile. Copy that link and paste it in your WhatsApp somewhere, because you have to save all these profile links in one safe place. So suppose here I am saving my all profiling like Reddit, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. So like that you save all your profile links in one place. So that will be easy. When you join in the airdrop, if they ask you profile links, directly you can. So that will be easy for you to join in the airdrops and complete it in within time. So this is the best trick to save all your profile links. So save them in a one place. Okay, now Facebook is complete. Now Instagram. So you have to download the Instagram app, and after that complete the registration. Next, after completing registration, what you have to do, open Chrome and type here Instagram. Okay, and after that you just click on the Instagram. You have to click on the login Instagram. Okay, and after that it will ask you directly login with Chrome or login with the app. Just select Chrome. Okay, so after your Instagram will open. If it is not opened, sometimes it will ask you to log in. So in that case you have to log in, give your email and password. So already I have logged in, so it is not asking for me to log in. Now after login, what you have to do, just at the bottom you will see some options. Click on the profile. Okay, after clicking on the profile, this here you will find the one box. So this is your profiling. Click on this box and you will see that share option is there, copy option is there. So click the copy. Okay, that is your profiling. So save it in one place. It's clear. So this is my Instagram profiling. Okay, are you clear? Once again I will tell you. Just after logging into Instagram, so you will find the format like this. Just at the bottom you will find some options: search, add story, like something, and right side your profile. Click on the profile. After clicking on the profile, in the search bar your profile link will be generated, so that you can directly click on share option. Otherwise you can directly click on the copy. So that is your Instagram profiling. Now it's okay. Now next, Medium. Next, Medium also, just download the app and complete the registration process. And after, same, go to the Chrome, type medium.com, and it will open. If it asks you to log in, just log in. So I have already logged in. So after logging into the Medium, what you have to do? After logging into the Medium, what you have to do, just you have to click on the profile section here. Top side search bar is there, bell icon is there, and profile. Click on the profile. After clicking on the profile, you will see this your name. My name is Manoj Kumar, and it is showing like this my username. So what you have to do, you have to click on this your name. Okay, after clicking on that your name, in the search bar your profile link will be generated. So copy that link and save it in the one place. I'm storing all this in WhatsApp. Okay, this is my Medium profiling. Okay, it's clear. Next Next Reddit, same Reddit also same, just register with the app and after come to Google Chrome and type Reddit. So this is Reddit, and after coming here, what you have to do is same thing. You have to click on these three lines and your username. Just right side three lines are there, click on the lines and you will find your username here. Click on the username. After clicking on the username, in the search bar your profile link will be generated. So click on the search bar and copy your profile link and save it. Okay, this is my Reddit profile link. Next what is there? LinkedIn, same. LinkedIn also same, just type LinkedIn and login. Okay, after coming to LinkedIn you have to click login. After clicking on the login, so you will find left side your profile. Click on that profile. Okay, so after clicking on the profile, scroll down. Okay, after scrolling down, at the bottom you will find your profile link here. Okay, this is the profile link. Okay, click on that profile link and just what you have to do, copy link address and save it in some place. So this is my LinkedIn profile link. So like this you can get your profile links easily in this method. So to join in the airdrops you need all this. What you need? Just you have to sign up on Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Medium, Reddit, LinkedIn, and you have to take all this profile link. Okay, after taking the profile links, then how you will join in the airdrops? So to join in the airdrops there are many ways. Like directly you can go to the Google Chrome and type crypto airdrops. Crypto airdrops. So if you type crypto airdrops you will find some airdrops here. Suppose crypto airdrops list June 2021. So whatever airdrops are going on you will find here. You can join directly from these airdrops. Otherwise join in my Telegram, because in my Telegram channel I am giving all the airdrops whatever registered. So if you join in my Telegram you don't have to go to the Google and search for the airdrops. I will give you the whatever airdrops we are getting, I will give in the Telegram. So in the description I will give you my Telegram link, so join in the Telegram. So because in my Telegram I am giving the whatever airdrops are there, I am giving that links in the Telegram. And one more thing, if you join in my Telegram you will get benefits. Like if you join in the airdrops, whatever money I am getting from the referrals I will give away them. I will give you that money to the who are joining. So I will announce some small airdrops, sorry, small giveaways, and I will give that money whatever I am getting from the referrals I will give back to the users only. So nobody will give like that, but I will give you whatever I am getting from the referrals I will give back to the referrals. So that's why join in my Telegram and join airdrops with the my links. So that will be useful for you and it will be useful